Good morning and welcome to Fixed On Living. Today we're going to be working on the leveling system for our new rig, new Montana High Country. And I guess we haven't done a tour of the Montana High Country just yet, but we'll do that just soon enough and get that video posted for you. But today we're putting the snap pad jack pads that go on these jacks, this style jacks, and to make it where, one, on concrete you don't rust, two, it gives you a little bit wider footprint for more stabilization, less chance of sinking in the ground. And those are the only two reasons really that I see putting them on there. But nonetheless, I've seen them on a lot of rigs, and there's obviously a reason for them, so we're going to give it a shot. So let me grab those. All right, so we've got our snap pads here from E-Trailer, of the snap pads for these jacks. And E-Trailer's a real good company about customer service. They just want to make sure you're happy with your product. So they've already emailed us, asked us how things went, and unfortunately I wasn't able to respond to their email because I haven't had a chance to open them. So this is actually a pretty raw video. I've not even opened these to make sure they're the right product, but let's find out. And they are. These are the new snap pads. You see it's got a lip here. I have to show you up close here. They've got a lip right there that the edge of the jack will go in. And what we're going to do is clean these jacks off real well. And we'll take some Dawn dishwashing liquid and put it around the inside of that. And they should snap on and they'll stay. And probably what I'll do that I've not seen done yet is we'll spray with a water hose and get the excess soap off of it. But so for now, as you can see, our rig is fully set up here in the driveway. We're going to have to take that down, pull the slides in because we don't want any undue stress on the jacks, and then we'll get started. We'll get a truck under it and get these first jacks. I've got a friend coming today that's going to be borrowing my truck to go move his camper because we're a bunch of camping freaks around here. And he's got to move his camper down. He just moves it to a spot on the lake, down at Guntersville Lake. And so I'm gonna try and get this done real quick before he gets here. So I'm gonna put it on the truck, pull my slides in, pull the jacks up, and we'll put the pads on the front two jacks, and then get the camper back off the truck so that he can take that truck, and then I can show you how to do the rest. So stay tuned. One thing you should always do when hooking up to the truck, even though it's just for a minute, is make sure you pull your steps up, because as soon as the steps aren't up, the jacks will let it down just enough that you'll end up crushing the steps or your door. Alright, so my thoughts are, if I put the dishwashing liquid around the edge, put them on there best I can, and then just set the jacks down, it should push them right down into place. We're going to try that. We're just going to go right around the top brim, because that's where the slipping has to be. Make it nice and slick all the way around the top. Tight fit right there, but that's all right. I think that's what they need to be. You don't want these things falling off going down the road. Nice and slick there. You getting in my camera shot, Jake? Yeah.
It's not a game, it's a ranch thing.
We finally got done with putting the snap pads on the jacks. As you can see, we've got 6 of them on this rig. And I don't know if you noticed early in the video when we lifted up the front jacks that there was rust on the concrete. Not that that's a major issue, my driveway's not perfect by any means, but you try not to allow that rust to stain the concrete, that kind of thing. So the snap pads are definitely going to come in handy there. Hope you enjoyed the video, and maybe gave you some information you didn't have on how to install these. It's pretty simple once you let the weight of the camper do the work for you. You'll press it right down in there, spray the soap off, you're good to go. They'll stay on. They're pretty tight, so feel free to leave a comment if you'd like. If you have any questions, we'll try to address any questions you might have. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you got some useful information from this video. If you like what you see and you'd like to see more, please be sure and hit the subscribe button and that little bell for notifications so that you can be notified every time we have a new video come out. Thanks again.